Howdy, partner. Now we will show you how to install the roll-up motor. Method 1. Install on the top of the greenhouse. This is one end of the motor rotation bar. Pick a place to make a pivot like this, or use our pivot set. The principle is the same. They hold the end off rotation bar. 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch NPS tubes make up a telescopic tube. To make the tubes can stretch out and draw back. One motor goes up or down around the hoop. Total length of telescopic tube should be longer than the height of greenhouse. The roll bar adopts outside diameter 1 3/8 inch tube top rail. It climbs max 19 feet curve height. The travel can be adjusted by setting built-in limit switches. Set the red knob, it goes down. Set the green knob, it goes up. It saves labor, creates comfortable. Method 2. Install roll-up motor on the sidewall of the greenhouse. It's similar to the installation on the top, but it needs the creeper. The creeper matches 3/4 inch NPS tube. Like you can see, it's moving vertically. It will stop working until it hit the limit switch. The motor should be used with controller. They can be found in UYGALAXY store. Thank you for watching.